Sivaranjani Raagam. Kuyil Paatu Vanthathenna. The song is composed in the Carnatic raga called Sivaranjani. Sivaranjani Swaras. Swarangal for Sivaranjani Raagam. Sa, Ri, Ga, Pa, Ga, Sa. Sa, Ri, Ga, Pa, Ga, Sa. Sa, the same kind of sound swara will be there, but the count, that is the re1, re2 and da1, da2, ga2, ga3 will get changed in the raga called Vasanthi Raga. That Vasanthi Raga is a janya raga of another mela-kartha raga called Sarasangi Raga. And this Vasanthi Raga, the swarangal for Vasanthi Raga is same sariga padasa. The thing is that in Sivaranjani Raagam, ga will be upper ga, that is ga 2, but in Vasanthi Raga, ga 3. Pa will be same for both raga. Sa and re will be same. Ga will be in Vasanthi Raga ga 3. In Sivaranjani Raga ga 2. And Pa will be same. And in Sivaranjani Raga da 1. But in Vasanthi Raga da 2 and sa in both raga. So recollecting the Vasanthi Raga first. Arohanam. This is Avarohanam now. And for and for Sivaranjani Raga, that's it. Thank you. Let's see in another video. If you have any kind of raga, swaras, or the variations, clarifications, I'm not well versed in Carnatic music, but still I will try to clarify at my level best. Thank you. I'm Sudhakar V, Being Human. My channel name is Sudhakar V, Being Human. Now I am in the process of learning Carnatic music, both violin and keyboard parallelly. Gradually I will start learning guitar and flute, santur, the hammer string, dulcimer it is called in it is very famous in Jammu Kashmir and other part, the nearest part of J&K. Some more instruments are also there. Banjo, that is also, it is like banjo is like this keyboard version combined with the string. That is very famous in Uttar Pradesh and some Meerut area. So some of the musical instruments both in South India and North India, East and West, musical instruments are there. Let's explore one by one gradually. Let's keep on inspiring through the beautiful musical experiments. Thank you. This is not just experiments. Already so many people done so many experiments. Great people done many things, but we are just I'm just new to this, so it is a new experiment for me. I'm just getting involved in learning new experimental musics from the my point of view. So don't mistake me that I'm talking something exaggerating and things and all. I'm just talking from my own perception and point of view. Thank you. Let's see in another video. அதுவரை உங்களிடமிருந்து விடைபெறுவது உங்கள் அன்பிற்குரிய சுதாகர், உங்கள் அன்பு தோழன் சுதாகர் வி, மனிதனாய் மனிதராய். நன்றி.